The biggest transfer of wealth in history is happening right now. But the next generation isn't engaging with traditional advice, and firms are losing them before relationships even begin. Compliance is expensive, advisors are stretched, and most education tools don't engage. There's a huge gap between no engagement and full advice. And that missing layer is financial coaching. That's why Scientiam and Slo Coach created SC Finance, a white-labeled financial coaching platform that sits before advice, not instead of it, seamlessly integrated into your digital ecosystem. It helps firms educate, engage, and build relationships across their entire market. SC Finance delivers modern, engaging financial education, group coaching and live sessions, optional monetization, and zero compliance burden. And when it comes to content, you can launch day one with our ready-to-go library, create your own easily, or let us do it for you. Either way, content is no longer the blocker. Now let's hear from Scott Heathwood from Lifestyle Management and Wealthy and Wise.
Hi there, I'm Scott. SC Finance helps us serve clients at scale, while also supporting advisors with structured professional development. Most firms start with a focused rollout, learn quickly, and expand with confidence. Financial coaching becomes the front door to the firm, and advice becomes the natural next step.
If you're ready to educate, engage, and build stronger relationships before advice, book a discovery meeting with our team today. SC Finance gives you the education and engagement layer to train advisors and deepen connection across your wider client base.